Household problems and repairs.
1. The water heater is not working. 2. The power is out. 3. The roof is leaking. 4. The tile is cracked. 5. The window is broken. 6. The lock is broken. 7. The steps are broken. 8. Roofer. 9. Electrician. 10. Repair person. 11. Locksmith. 12. Carpenter. 13. Fuse box. 14. Gas meter. 15. The furnace is broken. 16. The pipes are frozen. 17. The faucet is dripping. 18. The sink is overflowing. 19. The toilet is stopped up. 20. Plumber. 21. Exterminator. 22. Termites. 23. Ants. 24. Bedbugs. 25. Fleas. 26. Cockroaches. Roaches. 27. Rats. 28. Mice.